High-grade ABS plastic contoured textured and to complement factory dash. Provides pocket with mounting of a DIN radio. All necessary hardware included for easy installation. Install dash kit for single DIN, ISO radios. Compatible with 2000 to 2006 Nissan Sentra. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Painted to match factory dash color. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent fit. I was looking to upgrade my stereo in my 2006 Nissan Sentra. I went to several stores trying to find the right installation kit, but there was nothing that fit my car. After searching Amazon, this is what I needed to install my aftermarket stereo. The Metra 99-7414 fit in perfectly during install and is the exact fit to my aftermarket stereo. The texture is slightly different compared to the rest of the dashboard, but it is hardly noticeable. My car is over 6 years old, and even with the wear and tear of the sun on the existing dashboard, the color of the installation kit was almost the exact same. The price for everything to blend in nicely was well worth it. I am very satisfied with how my new stereo looks, and it works great.